guys, Eddie Mead here from Cardiff International Whitewater. Today we're going to learn how to do a re-threaded tape knot. So, all we need to do with this is a piece of tape, nice and easy. We're going to start by doing a really simple overhand knot in that tape. And we want to keep it relatively loose because we're going to re-thread through this knot. Once we've got that, we're going to grab our other end. And then starting from the end of our tape, we're going to get the other end of our tape and we're going to go backtrack. So we're going to go back up that initial piece of tape, back through, and then we're just going to follow the tape. So follow it round, so back over the top, all the way around until we come to the end of our knot. And then we're going to push that through. We want a little bit of tail sticking out either side, just in case of slippage. And we're going to pull that reasonably tight. So now our tape has become a complete sling.